Welcome back. So we have left our last lecture with these two questions. If you have tried out, you would have faced the problem that we have already described. So let's see how we can solve this situation using the same technique but with a little bit of modification. So 85 has to be multiplied with 93. That's our question. So first thing is that our base. So in this case also the base is 100 because 85 and 93 both are near to 100. 85 is 15 less than 100 and 93 is 7 less than 100. So the first thing that we need to do is multiply 15 and 7. So 15 7 ja is 105. That's all about our right side part. The left side part, how do you find out, is a cross subtraction. So that means either you need to do 85 minus 7 or 93 minus 15. So whatever you do, you get the answer as 78. So is our answer 78105? Let's check that now using a calculator. 85 multiplied by 93. So the answer is 7905. So whatever we got is wrong. So what happened wrong here? So the modification that I'm going to talk about is related to that. So always remember that our base is 100 and 100 has two zeros. So on your right side you have to keep two numbers. You cannot keep more than two numbers or you cannot keep less than two numbers. I'm pretty much sure that the question will be coming to your mind, why? So I will answer to that why for sure. Okay, this course is all about giving you the technique and also telling you why this technique works. Okay, I'll not tell you something blindly. So but in this point of time, please be patient, understand the technique that I am telling, but I guarantee you or I promise you that in coming lectures I'll give you the technique that why it works like this way. So what I was saying is that when our base is 100, always try to keep only two numbers on your right side. So here the case is that we have already got three numbers. So what to do with the third number? You just carry it to the other side. So now it's just like normal addition. You do 78 plus 1. So it becomes 79 and your right side is still 05. So answer is 7905. That's what we saw in the calculator. Got it? Simple, right? Simple modification, you are still getting the same answer. Let's do it with 103 and 102 and you'll be able to figure out this again. So here our base is again 100. 103 multiplied by 102. So 103 is 3 more than 100 and 102 is 2 more than 100. First step is multiply 3 and 2. This will give you 6. But if you immediately remember, I told you before that you must keep two numbers on right side. But here I am getting only one number. What to do? Just put a 0 before that. So my right side is 06. Keep it as it is. The left side is cross addition. 103 plus 2 or 102 plus 3. Whatever you do, you get 105. So our answer is 10506. Let's see. 103 multiplied by 10. So 10506. That's all is our answer. So you see how easy it is now, how much time saving it is happening. So if we extend this technique to higher numbers, still we can use the same technique and figure out the answer much faster. And in the coming lectures, I am going to show you how this technique works with bigger numbers also. So you'll be really amazed to see how this technique is so useful for bigger numbers. I just started to explain you the technique with the smaller numbers because I want you to understand this technique thoroughly. So please do understand the technique. I have attached some practice quizzes. Please do those. If you have any question, put forward. I want you to be an expert in this. And once you learn this, you will find mathematics fun and you will find mathematics interesting. So let's do it, and let's meet in the next lecture. Thank you.